The news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, campaigning for NPP candidate Dresar Marngar in Nongstoin constituency, urged voters to support the ruling party, emphasizing the NPP's commitment to development and welfare. He dismissed opposition claims, focusing on the NPP's ability to deliver progress, especially in areas like education, sports and infrastructure. Sangma also defended the government's role in challenging the coal mining ban and securing approval for scientific mining, assuring traditional miners of relief from stringent regulations. He highlighted ongoing projects like the construction of football and track and field stadiums in Nongstoin.
There will be different members from different families, different villages, different polling stations, who will support different candidates of different political parties. And different political parties will come and try to brainwash all of us with different issues, try to bring up different agenda, will try to give all kind of lecture against different political parties. And there will be a lot of heat in the election. But when election is over and all the dust settles down, people will again talk about development.